So we're back in town and road trip is over. How was it?
Great.
Tired book. No. But it was a fun trip.
Yeah.
Number one off our bucket list.
Yep.
So stay tuned for
Number 2.
yes, that one's good. Where did this go point?
That's true.
That's where they wanted us to go. Yeah. Stay tuned for trip number 2, where we tour Jamaica.
Oh yeah.